because Yiddish is nurtured a lot from the places where it lives. Like here in Mexico, we have a very Mexican Yiddish, and in New York, they have a very American Yiddish, but it's also very their own Yiddish. They have their own expressions, their own way. And it was interesting to see the contrast between them. It also happens at some point with Hebrew, but Hebrew does have the words like tikshoret in Hebrew, which is comunicación in Spanish. They also say comunicacja. And now in Yiddish, we say for copy, we have kopieren, and some people say überschreiben, and it depends where do you come from, how you use it. You know, I mean, me being Mexican, if I read a Yiddish translation, I am more able now to detect where it comes from, given the expressions they are using.